Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix this keyboard sound issue. I mean, it's not actually issue. Whenever if you are pressing any keys on your keyboard and if you're getting the sound from your system, you can easily disable it. You need not to add any registry edit also. So for example, if I'm typing something right, I'm getting some sounds, okay, keyboard sounds I'm getting. So I'm going to fix that actually. So what you need to do is simply you need to go to settings first. So you need to go to settings first. Click on that and then here type sound mixtures, okay. So it is listed sound mixture. So here sound mixture is there, yes, fine. So here right, see whatever I am typing right, I am getting sound from the monitor. So here you can see this system sounds, okay, and the system sound volume mixture. So system sound, you need to disable this. So once you disabled it right, or you can drag it to down to 0%, drag it down to 0% if you want, or you can simply mute it, okay. That's it friends. Now I'm gonna type something on the keyboard. There is no system sound now. So it is fixed friends. So this is the way you can easily fix on your Windows PC. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much. Bye.